Kate, you're leaving at 12 or 12:30?
12:30.
Okay. I was worried that I wasn't going to get done with notes in time. Everyone in uniform. Make sure you use your manners. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, are we ready? Okay. So everybody should have their notes pulled out to slope-intercept form, which you already know what it is. But today we're going to do something a little bit more challenging with it. We already did the warm-up. It was the Nerdle. We'll do it tomorrow, like that. You don't have. Were you not here at all this week? Okay, so someone tell me what slope-intercept form is. We've been using this. Say it again. Yes. What?
My dad needs to know what time I'll be picked up.
By 4 o'clock. Because that's when I'm leaving. Okay. So y equals mx plus b. Thank you, Aiden. Can someone tell me what m stands for in this equation? M is the slope. And what is b?
The y-intercept.
Y-intercept. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Calvin. All right. So we're going to write the equation given we're going to write an equation given the slope and the point. So if you look at this equation right here, this is my slope. Does everybody see that? Because it's right attached. It's right next to the x. So my slope is 3. The only other thing that I'm given here is an ordered pair. I don't know what the y-intercept is. What do you think, Corbett?
I think it's just like 4. Just 1 over 4. I mean 4 over 1.
It's not.
It's not.
Nope. It's a good thought though. What do I know about? Go ahead. Say it again. You could graph that and see where it crossed the y-axis, but what if it doesn't cross at an exact nice spot? That's awful, but that's what math is, right? So listen, shh, it's not awful. We're recording. Be nice. So tell me about that ordered pair, that point. What is something that you can tell me about the ordered pair 1, 4? Meaning what does the 1 represent? And what does the y or the 4 represent? Okay, so can't I take this equation right here, y equals 3x plus b, and substitute the 1 in for x and the 4 in for y, because I'm trying to figure out what b is. I don't know that. Can we do that? We can. Okay, watch. We need to find b. We need to find the y-intercept. I can't write the equation y equals mx plus b unless I know the m and I know the b. I know what m is, but I don't know what b is. But I do know a point, an ordered pair. Remember that this is the x value, and this is just a y value. So let's plug them in and solve for b. 4 equals 3 times 1 plus b. So what's 3 times 1?
3.
So 4 equals 3 plus b. I'm trying to get b all by itself. So what do? Subtract 3. So 1 equals b. Now I know what m is and I know what b is. Can I write an equation? What is it? Say it loud. Y equals. Good job. Y equals 3x plus 1. Okay. Don't look ahead. You're ruining it. It's a big surprise. Okay. What's the slope of this equation? So there's no number there. What does that mean? Means, say it again, Daniel. It's -1. My slope is -1. We know that. Do we know what b is?
No.
No, we have to find it. So again, just like we did this last time, we're going to substitute in these values for the x and the y. So y is 5 equals -1, that's my slope, times x, which is -3, plus b. So -1 times -3 is? +3. Thank you so much, Brody. So 5 equals 3 plus b. Trying to get b all by itself? Subtract 3. Thank you, Dakota. So 2 equals b. Gavin Kane, equation.
Y equals 3x plus 2.
Y equals what?
3x.
Y equals what?
Oh, -1x plus 2.
Awesome. Y equals -1x plus 2. Is this making sense? Okay. We're going to do it again. So the problem with this equation right here is it's not written in this form. Ugh. That's crazy. Why is it not written in that form?
You're the one who made it.
I know.
So why are you asking?
So can we put it in that form?
No.
Yes, we can. We've done this before. We have to solve for y. We have to get y all by itself. So 3x plus y equals b. How do I get y all by itself? This is a literal equation. We've done this. We're just trying to get this variable alone on the left side. Subtract what? Subtract what? 3. You said 3. That's all I heard.
3x.
Yeah, subtract 3x. I didn't hear that, bud. Maybe it's because your neighbor's choking. Do you need the Heimlich?
Are you choking?
You're supposed to do this if you're choking. That's the choking sign. Shh.
I
Okay,
fixed it.
so y equals, go get a drink. Shh. Y equals -3x plus b. So what is my slope? My slope is -3. The equation has to be in the y equals form for us to determine what the slope is. If it's not, you're going to have to put it like that. So now since I have it in y equals, I can plug in 4 for x and -10 for y. -10 equals -3 times 4 plus b. Go. What is -3 times 4?
-12.
-12. So y, -10 equals -12 plus b. I'm trying to solve for b. What do I do to get it? Add 12. Thank you, sir. So 2 equals b. So can I write an equation? Because I know what my slope is and I know what my y-intercept is. What is it, Dakota?
Y equals -3 plus
X.
x plus 2.
Perfect. Y equals -3x plus 2. Good job. So question number 4.
So are you.
Shut it. Question number 4 just tells me what my m is, but it doesn't give me an equation. Like the other examples. What should I do? Well, I'm going to write what y equals 2x plus b and then plug them in. Good job. So 2 times 1 is 2. Hang on. Subtract 2 from both sides. My answer would be what, Gavin or Kane? 3 3 equals b. So now I know what my slope is. It was given to me. I solved for b. So what's my equation, Kane? Plus 3, right? Did you say that? I didn't hear. Okay. Y equals 2x plus 3. Thoughts on this?
Still done?
What do you think, Daniel?
It's easier than yesterday.
Is there
It is
certain-
much easier than
Easier to
yesterday.
understand.
Shh. Okay.
is this-
Easier to understand.
Yeah, we're still doing notes. Yep. Shh. Quiet. All right. So example number 5 is just like example number 4. I know what my slope is. So that's the equation y equals 1/2 x plus b. I am trying to solve for b. Naya, tell me what I need to do to get the value of b. What do I have to plug in? Look at this ordered pair right here. Remember that this is the x and this is the y coordinate. So what am I letting y equal? Yeah, so -3 equals 1/2 times, what is the value of x, Naya? Perfect, plus b. So -3 equals, let's see, 1/2 of 2 is
1.
plus b. Trying to solve for b. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I find out that b equals -4. What's the equation, Eli? Can I write minus -4 instead of plus a negative? Is that okay? Good job. Very nice. All right, Daniel, you have the next one. You're going to own the whole problem. I'll start you off. Totally serious. Y equals -3/4 x plus b. Tell me what to do next. Two equals. Okay. So we multiply fractions straight across. You multiply those two. I wrote it as 8/1, so you can see it's a fraction. So if you multiply those straight across, what is -3 times 8? Okay, and 4 times 1? 4 times 1 is 4. It's 4. Plus b. So what's -24 divided by 4? Yes, you're right. It is -6. How do I solve that? Last step. Add what to both sides?
6.
Add 6 to both sides. So I find out that my b value is 8. So my equation is what, Daniel?
Y equals -3/4x plus 8.
Awesome. Okay. What do you think? You're saying no, Eli? Still easier than yesterday?
And
Okay.
it's still unneeded.
It's still what? Unneeded?
Unneeded.
Okay, so this is m. M equals -3. Someone tell me about the x-intercept. I don't even know what that means. What is the x-intercept compared to the y-intercept?
The x-intercept means it's when the line is through the x.
Yeah, it's when the line crosses the x-axis. So if I were to draw a little graph, the x-intercept would be right here at 4. What is that ordered pair on the x-axis? Like, could you tell me what that ordered pair is?
1.
It's what?
1. 4 0, right?
It's 4, 0. This is the ordered pair 4, 0. So the x-intercept happens when the y-coordinate is 0. It doesn't matter what the x point is, the y-coordinate is 0. So I have the ordered pair 4, 0. So this is no different than what we just did. So I have the equation y equals -3x plus b, but I'm going to plug in a 0 for my y, and I'm going to plug in a 4 for my x. So negative 3 times 4 is, so 0 equals negative 12 plus b. I'm trying to figure out what b is. Add 12 to both sides. Good job, sir. So 12 equals b. You got the equation for me?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to share it?
Equals negative 3x plus 12.
Perfect. Y equals negative 3x plus 12. All right, examples 8, 9, and 10 are the same thing that we did for examples 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to break you guys up into groups. So Antoine, Bree, Daniel, Gavin, Dakota, you guys are doing question number 8. I'm totally serious. All right. Brody, Eli, Corbett, Gavin, and Aiden. You guys have question number 9. Okay? Kane, Kellen, Kate, Tessa, Naya, Danae, and Abigail have question number 10. Let me know when you're ready, and I will pass you the tablet to write. Ready, go. You guys are number 10. You already did it?
None.
9.
Yes. Number 9.
This one's already done with this.
Dakota, that was awesome. That's right.
I did.
You got it?
I did.
Dakota, here you go. Write it out. Show your work, okay?
Oh, I don't even know if I remember.
That's why you slurping on that.
8.
Lollipop like that, bro.
I'm gonna have that.
Go get it.
One. Wait, how do you erase it? How do you erase it?
There's probably like a button to press.
Up here, do you see the eraser?
Oh, my fault.
It's too. Never mind. I'm not allowed to say that word.
Yeah, don't say that word. Okay.
Can I say dumb?
All right.
I'm allowed to say
No, don't say dumb.
Dakota, you are very intelligent.
There you go.
Unintelligent.
He said it, not me.
Hold on, let me see what I did. Okay. Negative 2 equals 2. 4. 6.
This is perfect.
Thank
Is
you
that
for
what you
giving
not
us
what
the.
you got?
Thank you for giving us the easiest one here, Miss Bishop.
Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9.
You didn't even have to talk to our group to do it.
Man, I can't really.
That's
Okay.
okay. Use that space over here so you're not cramming into the other problem. Guys, come on.
Sorry, man.
This is injustice.
Injustice. Come on, Dakota.
Put it in the box.
Yeah. No.
Good job. Number 8, y equals 2x plus 10. Nice job. Y equals 2x plus 10. Here you go. Number 9. Try to keep it in that space. You just write on it.
I'm gonna write balls on it.
Yes. I said plus 10, I think.
Okay, so right here.
It's
This is scary. I don't like writing on these things.
yeah, just write.
No.
Is your slope -9 or is your slope -3?
Yeah, I read them.
Yeah, this should be y equals. So you don't plug the point back in. Y equals negative 3x plus 16. Sit down. Don't get up again. You're being ridiculous. Sit down. Don't look at me like that. You'll be fine. Yes, you're not being ridiculous. For $1. I'm gonna start charging.
At my house. What if I pay tomorrow?
I'm joking. Go. Hurry it up. Fast.
We can go 5 times.
I have like
Each second.
right now I have like $200 worth of bathroom passes.
What?
That's more than that. I just got paid now, but I spent like
$2
half my
grand
check
worth of
already.
bathroom passes.
You don't have to.
Good job, Kevin. All right. Number 9. Y equals negative 3x plus 16. Who's doing number 10? Shh. Number 10.
Oh, there's keys on the back, and I don't like that.
It's not gonna. They're locked. Just right over here.
It really messed with me.
Everyone 10?
Number 10.
Oh, yeah.
You have to show your work.
Oh, I do?
So your time is not finished. Did you do your?
Never mind. Wait, we did it? Yes. I didn't remember we did it.
It got changed.
Wait, am I an idiot? No, I am right. I am right. Am I? What the fuck is going on in my head? Why did everything go blank?
What? No. Yeah, that's a -1.
So write your equation off to the right side.
You let my brain keep. If I'm wrong at this point, I literally don't care. That's gonna bother me. I don't like this.
What is a -1 times a -3?
It's positive, but I'm gonna choose to ignore that.
No, you can't ignore it. We're recording that. You can't do that. Okay, so right here. 5 equals 3 plus b. When I subtract 3 from both sides, I find out that 2 equals b. So my equation is y equals -1x plus 2.
I'm gonna choose to ignore it.
Okay? So let's talk about homework. Homework. You have an interactive practice and you have your worksheet. You guys there's zero reason for us to not get this done in class today. Hang on one second. We're going to do that tomorrow. Oh, no.
We're doing it tomorrow.
No, this is your homework today. Yeah, that's part of it. So your homework is pages 13 and 14 and 15. 13, 14, 15. Shh. Sorry, I lied. I'll let you take off 2 graphs.
Yeah.
Shh. How about this? How about if you do what I ask? 13 through 15, but you can omit 2 graphs.
2 graphs? Can we admit 4 graphs?
No, I'm not giving you extra credit. Shh. Okay, listen. But you also have an interactive practice, EDAA, writing equations in y equals mx plus b. There are 6 questions because I know you're going to ask me, Kane. You always say, how many questions are there? 6. I just checked it right before you came in here. You were going to ask. If I had not been prepared, you would have asked me. Okay? Shh.